Ready to revolutionize how you manage your business and connect with clients? Let's get you set up with a Vagaro account, step by step, in just a few minutes. First, head over to Vagaro.com. You'll see a user-friendly interface right away. Click on the Sign Up button, typically found in the upper right-hand corner or center of the screen. On the Sign Up page, choose the Create Business Profile option now. Fill in all the essential details about your business. This includes your business name, address, and contact information. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any issues later. Next, start adding the services you offer. Vagaro lets you categorize these, so you can easily list everything from haircuts and styling to massages, manicures, and more. Be specific with your service names and descriptions to attract the right clients. Now, let's set up your scheduling preferences. This is where you define your working hours, breaks, and appointment durations. Think carefully about how you want your schedule to flow so you can maximize efficiency. Don't forget the money. Vagaro integrates with various payment processors. Choose the one that works best for you and configure your payment options. This will allow you to securely manage transactions and get paid easily. And there you have it. With your account now set up, you're ready to explore Vagaro's powerful features, streamline your operations, and watch your business thrive. So get started with Vagaro today.